On the Pfaff Select 4.2, the dial on the right is your needle position dial. So what I want you to look at is notice that there's a kind of an oval circle and a circle in the middle. That means your needle is in the center needle position. And I'm going to move this, but do note that my needle is not in the fabric, because if I did, the needle will bend and maybe not be as straight as it used to be. So one thing that I can see it just by actually watching it is if I move it all the way to the far left, then my needle's all the way on this side of the foot. Then back to center, and now all the way over to the right side of the foot. So when I'm doing a straight stitch, most of the time you just want to make sure that that's in the center needle position. Now the other thing you can do is while you're sewing, you can change needle positions, and it's going to be kind of funny because it's just going to look like it's been going kind of crooked down my fabric here. But yes, you can actually change needle positions or stitch width while you're sewing. Just don't do it when the machine is stopped and the needle's in the fabric. Make sure the needle is up out of the fabric. And as you can see, well, sort of see, there are lots of needle positions. There's actually quite a few increments in between here on my way from the far right all the way to the far left. So you can really dial it in exactly where you need it to be for top stitching, for sewing in a zipper, to getting it to align exactly to the position that you're following. Use the needle positions to get you accurately where you want the stitch to go.